Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly how you can add a drop-down list or drop-down menu to your documents in Microsoft Word. It is super simple, guys, and you absolutely don't need any advanced skills to pull this off. So let us show you how to do that. So launch a new Microsoft Word document, and what you want to do is gain access to the developer mode first. Now, if you can see the developer tab here, the list of available tabs at the top, you can enable it by simply right-clicking on the ribbon somewhere here and by selecting customize ribbons from that drop-down menu. After that, you will be redirected to that window. So here to the right, you will see a list of all main tabs. Simply scroll or browse through that list till you get to the developer feature and enable it by taking the box next to it. Confirm by clicking on OK here, and that is going to add the developer mode to your list of available tabs. So head over to the developer tab, and what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that controls panel here and select the drop-down list content control feature by left clicking on it. That is going to add the drop-down menu, a drop-down list to your document. And what you want to do, the final step, guys, is customize and edit it by clicking on properties here. And here in that window, you'll be given the opportunity to give it a title, for instance, and also to add as many items to your drop-down list as you like by simply clicking on add here and by giving your item a name, like for instance 1, 2, 3, or so on and so forth. Click on OK here to confirm, and after that click on OK again to close that window. And there you go, your drop-down menu has been customized and added to your document. So what you want to do is simply click on that arrow down icon here to select the item from your drop-down menu. And that's all to it, guys. Super simple, as you can see. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.